is the sophomore edition of the Oyo Girls General Assembly.
Please, in staff innovation, welcome the Executive Director of Finance, Ms. Eden Dorothy Osai.
Our role as stakeholders, and what I want to emphasize today, is that we need to change our attitude towards the girl child. We have to understand and appreciate that she has value to offer. She is somebody worth investing in. Today we celebrate the life of Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. We have so many great women that Nigeria has produced. And if you look at their track record, or if you look at their history and antecedents, it's simply because there was an investment in their education. How do we educate you? How do we educate you so that you can compete with your counterparts in China, with your counterparts in Germany, with your counterparts in the United States? That has to be your preoccupation.
From the year 2016 up to now, when we write down, we use of computer. But before the year 2016, people used paper and pen, like when you write the exams to write the exams. But now that we use of computer, every now and then new inventions have been made. Programming, coding, graphics design, and we don't have access to it. And if the government can provide us this, we'll be very, very glad to have them. Thank you.
What a woman cannot do, cannot be done at all. Because I believe we have immeasurable strength and we have immeasurable capacity. I would like all of you not to look at these impossibilities as a way to bring you down, but just as a springboard for mind-blowing possibilities.
My name is Daniela Bisari from Ikola Gamashkitu. I want to become a lawyer in the future. I want to stand on the right of the girl child to help them.
On behalf of all men all around the world, I say thank you to you women, because without you, we cannot be a peaceful world, peaceful people, excellent people, successful people,